Hello and welcome to the daily number workout. Today we're working on the number 44 for the third grade. So let's get started with our word form. 44, F-O-R-T-Y and F-O-U-R. And because we have a 4 in the ones place value, this is an even number. So let's go on to factors and factor pairs. So we know 1 times 44 equals 44. So I'm going to put that up here. 1 times 44. 2 goes in because it's even. 2 times 22. 3, does 3 go in? No, it does not. Does 4 go in? Absolutely. 4 times 11. Does 5 go in? No, 5 does not go in because it needs to end with a 0 or a 5 for 5 to go in. 6 doesn't go in because 6 went into 42 and it will go into 48. 7 doesn't go in because 7 goes into 42 and 49. 8 doesn't go in because it goes into 40 and then 48. 9 doesn't go in because 4 plus 4 is 8, and that means 9 doesn't go in. 10 does not go in because it has to end with a 0. So we're at 11. We're done. All right, let's do addition. So I'm going to write out, let me move that up just a smidgen so we can get this up here. And I'm just going to write these across. All right, I'm ready to rock. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus nothing is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus nothing is 4. 4 plus 3 is, 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus nothing is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus nothing is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus nothing is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Drop the 0, carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 7 is 11. Drop the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 8 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 9 is 13. Drop the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 4 plus 0 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. All right, let's go on to subtraction. We're going to start with our 54 here. So I'm going to put it right here, 54 minus 44. All right, let me get these collected up before I lose them off my table, as usual. All right, I'll move this up so you get a better view. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 54 minus 44 is 10. Let's do 53 minus 44. All right. 4 from 3, we cannot do. Borrow from the 5, leaving 4, making that 13 minus 4 is 9. 4 minus 4, nothing. Let's do 52 minus 44. So we want to take 4 from 2, cannot do. Borrow from the 5, leaving 4, making that 12 minus 4 is 8. 4 minus 4, nothing. 51 minus 44. 4 from 1, cannot do. Borrow from the 5, leaving 4, making that 1, 11. I'm sorry, making that 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. 4 minus 4, nothing. 50 minus 44. 4 from 0, we cannot do. Borrow from the 5, leaving 4, making that 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 4, nothing. 49 minus 44. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 4, nothing. 48 minus 44. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is nothing. 47 minus 44. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 4, nothing. 46 minus 44. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 4, nothing. 45 minus 44. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 4, nothing. So there's our subtraction. And we can always check our answers by counting backwards. Looking good. Always do the math and check at the last when you're all done. Please do not skip the actual adding and subtraction. That's the whole point of our daily number workout. Here we go, multiplication. So this one is 44 times 2 is our first one. So let's get started. Make sure my paper's straight so it's not cockeyed for you. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Boom. Let's go for 3 44s. 3 times 4 is 12. We drop the 2, carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 44, 4 44s. 4 times 4 is 16. Drop the 6, carry the 1. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. This is a real good practice of facts of 4. All right, 5 times 4 is 20. Drop the 0, carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. Let's do 44 times 6, or 6 44s. 6 times 4 is 24. Drop the 4, carry the 2. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 2 is 26. 44 plus 7. This is a great practice because we're starting to remember all this and know from our right in our files in our brain. 7 times 8 is 28. Drop the 8, carry the 2. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30. 44 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Drop the 2, carry the 3. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 3 is 35. 44 times 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Drop the 6, carry the 3. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 3 is 39. And then last but not least, 10 times 44. We drop the 0 to hold that place value. Then 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. And we're done with multiplication. Nice job. All right. Hopefully you're patting yourself on the back. You got everything correct. Let's move on to our measurement, inches, feet, and yards. So let's give it a whirl. Today is 44 inches. And we know that it takes 12 of those to make a yard. So we're going to have 44 over 12. We're creating a improper fraction to break it apart to find out how many feet we have. So we have 12 over 12 plus 12 over 12. So when we're doing this, know that you cannot add fractions unless their denominator, the bottom number, are all the same. So we're making these all 12s. So this is 12, 24, 36. And our next one would be 8 over 12. So we have 1, 2, 3 whole feet and 8 twelfths of a foot. So we have 3 and 8 twelfths feet. So that is equal to 44 inches. All right, let's go into our yards. We know it takes 36 inches to make a yard. We have 44. So we're going to break that down into 36 over 36. So we did get 1 yard out of that, plus, and that would be 8 over 36. So ours would be 1 and 8 over 36 yards. So 1 and 8/36 of a yard is the same as 3 and 8 twelfths of a foot and 44 inches. Those are all equal to each other. So let's move on to our metric system. I know on the number 43, I forgot to do that one. And I'm sure you're all like, she forgot. It happens. I'm sure you forget things, so that's okay. So we're doing it today. So we're going to have 44 centimeters. And we know it takes 10 centimeters to make a decimeter. So we're going to put this over 44 because our improper fraction is like a division problem. It's 44 divided by 10. So we're going to divide this by 10. So we're going to have 10 tenths plus 10 tenths plus 10 tenths. That's 30. Plus 10 more is 40. And then, of course, we need 4 more to make the 44. So 10 plus 10 tenths plus 10 tenths plus 10 tenths plus 10 tenths plus 4 tenths is 44 tenths. And we know that is 1, 2, 3, 4 whole decimeters and 4 tenths. All right, so whoops, DMs is the same as 44 centimeters. And then we're going to equal that to 44 hundredths of a meter because it takes 100 centimeters to make a meter. And there we have it, simple for number 44 for third grade. Have a great day.